Have you ever wondered what would happen if you plank every day for just 1 minute? Let's explore the plank challenge. A plank is a simple yet effective exercise that engages your entire body. Picture yourself in a push-up position, but resting on your forearms instead of your hands. It's crucial to keep your body straight and avoid any sagging or arching. Consistency is key here, not just in maintaining your form, but in doing it every day. So if you're willing to accept this challenge, let's see what happens. In the first week, you might not notice significant changes, but don't worry. That's completely normal. This initial phase is all about your body getting used to a new routine. As you start planking every day, you might experience some discomfort or difficulty. It's okay. Your muscles are just learning to support your body in this new, challenging position. Remember, every great journey starts with a single step. And this is your first step towards a fitter, stronger you. Your body is like a machine, and right now, it's learning to operate in a new way. It's adapting, and that's a good sign. Consistency is key here. Don't feel disheartened if you struggle to hold the plank for a full minute initially. The goal is to keep at it, to show up every day, because with each passing day, your endurance will improve, your strength will increase. By the end of the first week, you might start to notice increased endurance and strength, but the best is yet to come. By the second week, you'll start to notice some exciting changes. Your core strength is beginning to improve, and you're likely feeling a lot more balanced. Those planks are not just for show. They're working your abs, back, and shoulders, building a solid foundation for your body. You might even notice a slight drop in your weight and an enhancement in muscle tone. But remember, it's not just about the physical changes. It's about the discipline, the dedication, and the determination to show up every day and hold that plank for a minute. The consistency is key here. And let's not forget about form. It's crucial to maintain a good form to prevent injuries and to ensure you're working the right muscles. Keep your body straight, squeeze your glutes, and don't let your hips drop. By the end of the second week, you're halfway there and the benefits are starting to show. In the third week, the changes become even more noticeable. Our bodies are incredible machines, and by now, yours has adapted to the daily planking routine. It's like clockwork, and your muscles now anticipate the challenge. You might find yourself standing a little taller, sitting a little straighter. That's the magic of planking. It's not just about the abs, but it's about the whole body. Your core is stronger, yes, but so is your back, your shoulders, your glutes. Every muscle works together during a plank, and every muscle reaps the benefits. And it's not just physical strength that's blooming in this third week. Mental toughness, resilience, grit, call it what you will, but it's there growing stronger day by day. Every minute spent in plank is a minute spent proving to yourself that you can push through, that you can endure. By the end of the third week, not only are you stronger and healthier, but you're also proving to yourself that you can stick with a challenging routine. In the fourth week, the transformations become even more pronounced. You'll start to notice significant improvements in your core strength. You feel stronger, more powerful, your body is beginning to redefine itself, your muscles are more defined, and you're able to hold your plank position longer and with more ease than before. Your balance has improved remarkably. You're now more grounded and stable, not just in your planks, but in your everyday movements as well. You're standing taller, walking more confidently. You've developed a sense of body awareness that you didn't have before. The changes don't stop at the physical. Something inside you has shifted. You're mentally tougher. You've learned to push through barriers, to embrace discomfort, to endure. You've learned that you're capable of so much more than you thought you were. You've learned that the only limits that exist are the ones you set for yourself. And now, you've made it to the end of the fourth week. You've made planking a regular part of your fitness routine. You've discovered the transformative power of this simple exercise. You've seen firsthand how it can sculpt your body, strengthen your core, and sharpen your mind. After 30 days of planking, you've not only improved your physical strength and endurance, but you've also developed a mental toughness that will help you tackle any challenge that comes your way. So are you ready to take the plank challenge? Thanks for watching video. Hope you like this video. So do like, share, and subscribe. Heal Yourself channel. Have a great day.